Do you sleep, little girl?
Got a care in the world.
Do you not care what's going on as long as you've been walked and you've been fed? And you have daddy? Yeah. Good morning. Oh, good morning. We finally made it. We finally made it to Bruges. Really excited about going to Bruges. It's been on my list for ages. And in my mind, it's going to be like this sort of like fairy tale city that you see in the films. All sort of cobblestone streets and medieval buildings and beautiful little bridges and waffles and beer and all that kind of thing. So yeah, really excited about today. We are going to have some coffee and then we're going to get ready, and then we're going to go and walk into Bruges with Harper. We're staying at a campsite that was recommended by quite a lot of people actually, but it is about a 40-minute walk from the city, which we didn't quite realise. So yeah, we're going to have a little bit of a walk before we get there. We ready? Ready, let's go.
What?
Bruges was every bit the fairy tale city that we imagined it would be, but what I don't think either Carl and I were expecting was just how stunning some of the churches and cathedrals are. Initially, we were drawn to the unusual exterior of the Basilica of the Holy Blood, but the interior was absolutely stunning and completely unexpected. Bruges was amazing, but it's time to move on, so we're heading to a forest car park that Carl found on Google Maps. We did it! It's been a whole week. It's been a whole week since we've been in Belgium.
I haven't been in Belgium for a week.
It's been a whole week since we left the UK. It's been a whole week since we left the UK. We're still alive.
When did we leave Bruges? We left there on the Saturday. So yeah.
Yeah.
We've been in Belgium a week.
It's been a whole week. It's been a whole week since we left the UK and we arrived in Belgium.
And neither of us have killed the other.
And neither of us have killed the other. It's been really interesting. We've definitely learned some lessons. Perhaps the best one is that it's very flat here, which has been very kind to the van.
Yeah.
Carl's done really well at driving. Carl's actually driven us everywhere. And you think it's been really easy so far?
It's been really easy so far. And we've not been doing motorways or anything like that because nobody wants to get stuck behind this 40-year-old motorhome doing 50 miles an hour.
Yeah, nobody seems to be very annoyed though. Everybody seems to just be used to it and they've kind of learned to just go around. We are walking doodly in the forest, have absolutely No idea where we are.
She's lying. It's a Dutch name we cannot pronounce.
Okay, I've absolutely no idea how you're supposed to say it, but it's absolutely beautiful. All of the green space that we've walked Harper in has been amazing. There's just parks everywhere.
And they're tidy.
And they're tidy and they're beautiful. Everybody seems to have their dog on a lead here, which obviously Harper isn't used to. So we've come out to the forest to give her a little bit of a run around. She's been absolutely amazing. I know a couple of people were worried about how she'd cope in the van, but she's absolutely fine. We are having a little bit of an admin day today.
Yeah, somebody needs underwear. Somebody
needs underwear, socks, and we just need to wash some clothes in general. We're also going to go to Lidl, because apparently we like to do Lidls of the world. We've had an absolutely amazing time in Belgium so far. What's your highlight?
Beer.
Beer. Carl's highlight is beer. We've had some really fantastic beers, and obviously I don't particularly like beer. What would you say your favourite one has been?
Beer.
Beer. No, we've had some fantastic beer. We went to a bar in Ypres.
Yes.
That served more than 280 beers, which was fantastic. We met a lovely lady that made us drink a pint of Wipers Times, which was fantastic. And we also tried lots of other beers whilst we've been here, including the beer experience, which is apparently dog friendly, which is a very strange experience. We have also realised this forest has a Gruffalo trail.
It's awesome.
Which is amazing. We've just been looking for these little figures that you can take pictures of. We found a little mouse earlier. Now we're going to have to find all of the rest of them.
And if you've never ever seen or read the Gruffalo, you must. It's great fun, especially if you have young kids. And if you have got young kids, you've definitely watched it or read it.
Yeah, there's like little books, isn't there?
Yeah.
But they are in Dutch here. It's okay though, because Carl already knows what they already say.
Yeah, yeah.
Quite sure what she spotted.
No, not me. And if it's a fucking red squirrel, I'm going to be annoyed.
Oh, we found one! Oh, it's a little owl! We found him! And I think this one might be my favourite, because he's carved into the tree. And he's got his little paw and his little face. And I think this one's quite cool. Oh look, it's the Gruffalo!
Don't pee on it, Harper.
No. We found him! I don't know if I can get his face in there. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you next week as we continue our journey down Belgium towards the south of France.